Hi everyone! I want to show you this twist and swirl from the last video. It turned out very cool. Whoops! I've got like a thing of pins right here. um, the gold and the copper, like the colors are just perfect together. And even though these look like weird little sea creatures to me, I'm still glad that I used the airbrush and I blew those areas out instead of having it smooth. And you know what? As I'm showing this, I think did I already show this to you guys? I don't know if I did. But this area right here is the part I didn't touch at all that I liked originally. I don't know. Maybe I didn't show it to you. But anywho, there it is. They do. They look like a snail and a little fish or whale or something jumping. Anyhow, all right. So I am mallet smashing today. Well, that might be a little too close. See the colors that I'm using. Sometimes I have to go in and darken it up. So I've got a mix of Prussian blue and Payne's gray standing by in case I need to darken it up from these light colors. This is, oh my gosh, I am forgetting the name. I don't know what it is. I can't think of the name. But I'm calling it periwinkle. It is not periwinkle. But that's what I'm going to call it. And then I've got Liquitex Basic Bright Aqua Green. And I have Artist Loft Deep Magenta. And I have ARTEZA Indian Yellow. So you can already tell that most likely I'm going to need, you know what, I'm just going to add the Prussian and the Paynes. So I've mixed them together, so Prussian's Paynes combo, and I'm adding that. I think I know already that that I'm not going to be happy with it, that I'm going to want the depth of the darker color. I really hate these gloves. They are so hard to get out of the box, but they were way cheaper than the purple ones I used to wear. Like I got a box of, I don't know, like 4 boxes of them for really cheap. I think they're on my Amazon list. And once they're in my hands, they're fine, but they're a pain in the butt getting out of the box. So this is Artist Loft Titanium White mixed with Floetrol and water. Oh my god, did you just see that? That was a thick, oh my god. That was a gross one. Big ol' dry paint booger. I can hear my washing machine doing weird things up there. I hate this washing machine. I never should have gotten a new one. I should have kept my 20-year-old one. And if you remember, I talked all about getting this washing machine. Well, I don't think it's draining. My clothes were sopping wet, and then I went to try and put it back on a spin and drain cycle, and it washed them all over again. So my clothes will be very, very clean. I need to snag some paper towels. Where to put them. And my torch. I'm totally unprepared today. Okay. I'm battling with some pretty bad anxiety right now, so I'm going to blame my airheadness on the anxiety, which I think I can do and get away with. It's only you guys, right? Alright, now the magenta. No, the anxiety really is really bad right now. Like, I can feel it in my arms and hands and stomach and all that good stuff. No fun at all. You know, maybe I will try smashing it without the paints Prussian combo first. Maybe I need a bright, silly painting. Maybe that's just what the doctor ordered. Not Xanax, a bright painting. With the side of Xanax. Right? Alrighty. That turned way mustardy. Grossness. Putting in the dark. Oh my goodness. Too much, too much, too much. And I'm gonna go with a plastic mallet. A little lighter, bigger smack. Ate up all my colors, but ooh, I see them starting to show through. I see them starting to come up. Am I going to tilt this? I don't think so. I don't know. I like this area. That didn't do what I wanted. That brought up a bunch of white. Oh, not good. To show you guys one of my favorite paintings, which I did pre-filming. It's in my bedroom, and it's a mallet smash that I tilted pretty much all of the smash out of it, and it's super cool. And it's one of those that kind of shows you can always keep working on saving a painting. This one I'm not so sure about, though. Except this is starting to be kind of cool looking. gonna bring it back up. It's kind of got a cool marbly look to it. I'm gonna tilt it off my way. Trying to do it a little slower than to keep some of it. Maybe I don't need to keep any of the smash. Turning into a whole nother painting. I think I like it. Okay, so we got that down at the bottom now. Now I'm gonna look, see what I got going on. Because I think I like it. I love the colors. Back up a little. This area over here is very cool. I like it. I like it. I do. I love this area. Kind of wish this looked a little bit more like it. I'm going to see if I can tilt any more off without taking it too far. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Tilting it up and to my left right now. So tilting off this side. Oh, it's almost, it's like so close. Now I got that dripping down. So I'm just going to bring it back a smidge. Voila! I believe I am finished. Get set you down and I'll show you. This is the area I loved. Isn't that Prussian blue mixed with the Payne's gray a pretty color? So although it did not turn out the mallet smash of my dreams, it turned out a very cool painting. And I'm pretty pleased with it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye!